If you're test automation engineer, you might have lot of responsibility to be covered during your test automations journey. Consider a scenario where your client is requesting you to perform testing of your built-in automations on multiple browser or on multiple operating system with variations of the browsers. You might not have all those resources available for you because you need multiple system with different operating system installed. Within those operating systems, you need to run the automations on multiple browsers. That is called as cross browser testing. So it means they wanted to do the cross browser testing not only on one environment, they are expecting you to perform this test automations on multiple operating system as well, like Mac, Windows, Ubuntu, Linux and all. Getting these resources are very difficult and crucial for you to achieve this task. Definitely you will struggle to perform everything, but worry not, we have the solutions, and that's the reason I'm here with you to cover cross-browser testing on different operating system as well. Not only on one operating system, we'll try to cover on multiple operating system as well. The question for you is, have you ever came across with these situations? If yes, what was your solutions? How easily you have achieved it? Feel free to add your input in comment sections. We'll be happy to read and try to understand how easily you have performed it. Now, coming back to the topic, cross-browser testing using testRigor, which is an AI-based tool helping you to perform cross-browser testing not only on one operating system, but also you can do it on multiple operating systems where you can select different browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari on different OS as well. We'll show you how we can achieve it. If you can see this test set we have on Windows Chrome, whenever I will run, it always start executing this test set on Windows Chrome itself. Let me run and show you the result. After that, we'll give you idea how you can perform testing on different browser as well as different operating system. Execution has been started where you can see Windows Chrome is the only one browser which is generating all those screenshots where based on the automations what we have did, it's trying to create defect under Mantis. But this says performing on only one browser where we are just trying to verify on Chrome itself. But our scenario is little different where we have to do the testing on all those browsers. So after this, it will close the executions and our activity is done where test case will be passed, which is the expected result from this automations. Our scenario is little different where we have to perform testing on multiple browser as well as on multiple operating system. How we can achieve it? Let me show you. It's a very quick and easy way where you can tweak or you can run the same automations on multiple browser as well as multiple operating system. So you have to navigate it to settings. Now here you can see we have tested on only one browser because we have included just Chrome itself, and that's the reason the entire executions was done on Chrome on Windows operating system. But our scenario was we wanted to do the testing on multiple browser. So we'll include Edge as well. I included operating system as Windows and browser will be Edge. I wanted to perform on other operating system as well, where we'll select Ubuntu and browser will be Chrome. In next part, I will include OS X and the browser will be Safari. After including all four browsers, we'll click on save and we'll try to run the same test case with these four browsers. I will show you an example. Earlier to this one, I executed on three browsers: Windows Chrome, Windows Edge, and Windows Firefox. It executed successfully where I can see the result is pass. I wanted to retest this where you can see as per my selections, it's showing me first it will start with Windows Chrome, then it will move into the Windows Edge, then it will perform the testing on Ubuntu Chrome as well as OS X Safari. So once the executions will be completed, you will see the execution was done on all four browser. Till the time if first is running, you will see rest three are grayed out because it's in queue. Once this will done, it will move into the next phase, that is Windows Edge. And every executions will be stored as screenshots, and each and every screenshots will be generated according to the browser. Definitely the steps are same, but because we are doing cross browser testing, you will see same executions will be completed in all four browsers. It's a very quick and easy way where we can enable multiple browser options. But if you compare with any other tools, probably it will be difficult where you don't find this easiest toggle button to include multiple browser as well as multiple operating system. Sometimes we have to add lot of codes to just make this successful. So first part almost done. It's trying to create a defect and we'll see the next screen. You will see here the defect has been reported successfully. Once this is done, it will continue with the next one, which is Windows Edge. You can see first part is green. It means it successfully cleared Windows Chrome version. It will start with the Edge. Same sort of screenshots will be generated and you will see once the execution is generated. Now, post executions, when you will start navigating to reports, inside the reports, you will see how many test cases we have, what all browsers will be used for the executions, and which all are in progress, which all are in successful mode. So here, because we have selected first time Safari OS X, it got successfully completed. Whenever you want, we can see it here. Edge on Windows, we can also see one success. Chrome on Windows, we can see two success. This time we have also selected Ubuntu. For Ubuntu also, you will see here for all the browsers, it was successfully completed. And where we have all those screenshots. That's where we are able to see it's in past states. Reports will give us the detail interactions of each and every browser executions and how many times we have executed. If you have any failures at any point of time in any browser and operating systems, it will get highlighted. So this is how we can perform cross-browser testing quickly with the test triggers, where we can include multiple operating system, multiple browser sets at the same code, which is quick enough and easy to use or easy to perform cross-browser testing. And your client will be happy by using one code. They can perform testing on multiple devices, multiple operating system, and multiple browsers. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. If you wanted to learn testRigor from scratch, feel free to refer my entire testRigor playlist. I've created more than 30 videos. I keeps adding based on latest trends and technologies into the same folder buckets where you learn a lot from this testRigor playlist where I covered 30 use cases. That's all from today. If you have any suggestions, feedback, or comments, feel free to add in the comment sections. And if you want me to cover any other topics, feel free to add in the comment as well. We'll be happy to create video on those topics. Thank you all. We'll see you in next video.